Finally, we're here at Bukit Gasing, one of easy-going hiking trail.
And we are going to hiking. Let's go together. Let's discover it.
Let's see the thing around. We have waiting house, the sunlight, and a lot of tree. It's so beautiful place.
I am with banana tree.
Well, you can see the banana fruit here. We can cut it and then take it home. No one here. Can we do it?
Let's go to another area. It looks so dangerous here. You have to walk carefully, otherwise maybe you will fall down. Stream here and have a little bit water. The water is so clear, but I'm just afraid this is have a leech. It is so dangerous animal. I mean, it can drink our blood and can go inside our ear, our nose. So you have to be careful. Okay? Yeah, but it's so fresh. I love it. Where? Where's Snake? Are you really? How I can come back? Where? I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Are you serious? I think maybe we're back. But is there? Go 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 go! So scary. Are you kidding me? Oh my god! Oh, we go another way. I'm really brave. How can you say like this? I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all. Something, I touched something. How can you say like this? I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared at all. Something, I touched something. Ah. Ah. Why no one here? Just only us. You know, it looks like we are on the jungle that is usually show on the TV show, on the movie. Some movie is like a horror movie. It looks like it. So scary. Maybe we go to another way, huh? How about this way? Is there someone here? Just go ahead on the top and then we're back. Okay? God, this is so hard. So scary. Oh, still have people there, you see? I think maybe here a lot of people go for hiking. But it's so quiet. When we heard something, then my gosh, we feel so scary, so excited. Scary, but excited. You can see, if you can see my hand, so maybe you will see that I have something
called goosebumps
on my hand because I'm scary. But it's so excited. The scope is
very huge.
It's so high. We have to walk carefully, otherwise maybe we'll fall down from high. I bet I can walk to the top. Let's go. It's so tired here. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Something there. What's this? Oh, it's so scary here. Oh, yes, coming. Oh my gosh, so scary. I have to go back. Something on the tree. I heard some sound. What is this? I heard some sound on the tree. I cannot run. If I run so I might fall down. I heard the noise. I think maybe the people talking there. People are coming. Not just we are not alone. Maybe we ask them. We go with them. Yeah. Let's go. Are we back now? Okay. Sure. They are going to the way that we go before. Sure. Run. We go behind now. We're not scary anymore. We are confident now. Let's go. Ooh, what is this? The tree? There are a lot of trees that I don't know the name. I didn't see it before. Let's see that we can go to the end of the road now because we don't know. We have two people in front of us. So hopefully that we can can walk you on the road here, and then you will see the things around. Look at this, is so dangerous here, okay? Oh my gosh. Ooh, what is? Look at this. Maybe the root of the tree. But why is there so long, right? Oh, we are so behind. We have to run. We are so behind. Where are they? Run, run, run. Oh. This looks like durian. This tree looks like durian tree. This one. But it's not, right? Oh, have a waiting house, like a rest house that we can take rest here. But where are they? There are two ways. There and here. Where are they? They're there? No, no, no. I had the sulfur here. What is so? A lot of tree here. The the road is so narrow. It's so narrow and have very near the tree. I don't know what can happen to us. Oh, have a wow! Have a chicken. It is younger chicken. But how she didn't care about human. Hey, hey, come here. Come here, guys. She didn't scare. Maybe we choose this way. I see one person there. This way is better. It's oh, what this?
Chicken water.
Really, chicken water? So this means that someone fixed chicken here. Oh, where the chicken? This is so beautiful place. Oh, there. There's some notice. Okay, I will read it because I actually didn't know much about Malay. Selamat datang. This means that welcome. Welcome. Okay. Anda sekarang. We have someone here. Maybe they know. I just know some emoji here. Some signal.
Second last one.
Second last. What is? That's either way go to the Bintu Petaling Jaya. Hey. And this is the way go to Bintu Kuala Lumpur. And also the way go to Jambatan Gatun.
Jabatan Gantun mean abandoned. This is if you go by this way, you can see the bridge, and it's so beautiful bridge there.
I have a water bottle.
Do you have tissue or not?
Let's take a rest.
Tissue have or not tissue?
Yeah, I have tissue. Let's take a rest with water bottle. Thank you so much for the water bottle. I really need it. I forgot the water bottle at home. My God.
Guess what?
I was so aged, maybe. Oh! Another one? Wow! You are so thorough. Let me drink a water bottle. Let me drink water. Ah. The mineral, natural mineral water. Let's drink it. It's make my day, you know. When you go for hiking or you go to the park, you need to bring at least one water bottle because you really need it. If you don't bring it, you will regret later. It's good. Yeah. Why everyone go to this way? I see the way not really safe, secure. Wow. It looks like we are walking on the jungle. I dare you to walk on this way, okay? But I'm afraid. I think I had to go back. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.